Beautiful day out here in North Georgia. A nice fire going. More hot water for more hot chocolate. And it's cold. It is definitely cold out here today. It's probably 30, 36, but there's a wind of 15, 20. Makes it colder. Oh, I'm getting ready to read more of my book, God's Final Answer, by Harold E. Helms. Highly recommended by a good, close friend. We're over here in, it's north of Cleveland, Georgia. And we came out 2 days ago. It's DeSoto recreational area. There's DeSoto Falls. And I did the lower falls with my friend and her son 2 days ago, and the dog, and Pixie. And they did the upper falls. I think Pixie was up for it. And today we're back just having a campfire, hanging out at the camp site. Just a day site. I love the sound of that. I love the looks of it. Very happy place for this girl. We came to North Georgia for the Ignited Women's Conference at Christ Fellowship Church at the North Georgia Revival, which ended last night at almost 3 o'clock in the morning for us. It's a beautiful sound.